Hey, my name is Eddie. Welcome to today's episode of January 6th Cents Tackle Box Unboxing. Let's crack this thing wide open. Hey, what's crackalacking, y'all? Ladies and gentlemen, today we have a very special video today with the 6th Cents January unboxing, sorry. With language here. We have the 6th Cents January box here. Just came in the mail today. Was waiting on this thing this whole thing the whole weekend. It's finally here, so you know what that means. Today's we're doing an unboxing. But before we get into this, make sure you guys are like and subscribed. Make sure you scroll down, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button. We also have a playlist for our MTV box. Top right hand corner of your screen. Also, we have a 6th Cents playlist coming up for all our 6th Cents unboxings. So if you guys ever need to watch what is a, if you guys didn't pick up a mystery tackle box or a 6th Cents tackle box and you wonder what is here, this is a great channel to come here and look at our stuff and what we have done for an unboxing. But I'm not going to say too much. I'm going to get to the purpose. I'm going to beat the chase here, what you guys came for. So this bad boy right here. Now starting off, we have it comes with a bait bag of that. You can store a lot of soft plastics in here. 2 handles on here. Little 6th Cents thing. Has a little pouch right here. So overall, just a soft plastic bag, so you know. Just great bag, could be useful. Also this little feature right here. You can pitch your so say for example you want to keep all your crawls and speed worms, and here you can hit speed worms, you know. So this is a very useful thing for probably I'll use for soft plastics, but let's get to the purpose of today's video. Okay, for our first bait, guys, we have a 6th Cents Snatch 70X American Shad color. Now I did get if you guys didn't see from my Tackle Warehouse unboxing, I did get a American Shad color for my Lucky Craft 1.5, but look at this crankbait, man, this thing's looking juice right here, man. I'm gonna get you guys a close up on that. This thing right here, it's crackalacking, y'all. But you guys know how we do things. Next bait. Alright, next bait we have a Crush Mini 2.5. Oh. Actually, let me go back to this bait right here. This is a 5/8 ounce, just to let you guys know. We have a Crush 6th Cents little mini crankbait. It says a 6th Cents Crush Mini 25X, and it has 2 to 4 feet, gizzard shad color, and it weighs 1/4 ounce, 50 millimeters long. It's probably as long as my finger, so if you guys can, as long as your pinky finger, let's say that, or your index finger, but if you guys want to get that closer to detail. But this is what the bait is looking like. Pretty cool to me, as you guys know. Probably give this to my dad. I'm a small crankbait fan, but otherwise, next bait. Alright, we have some more Divine Spoon Baits, pure white. These are, it doesn't say the size of it. I guess it's a 3.3. I already have some of these from other brands, but it's a good bait. Can't go wrong with these. Next bait. Guys, I was looking online for this and it kept on selling out. I see why. They're hitting some of these tackle inside of their tackle bags, so I'm really happy that they added this. We have a Divine, on this one, man. We have a blue back herring color. I really wanted this. It's 3/8 ounce. It has a screw lock on it too, so which would really be good with it. How the eyes, remember last video if you haven't seen it, the Divine shaky head or shaky jig. Eye was pointed down. I really like that. It shows the shad I'm supposed to imitate the shell. Let me give you guys a close up on that. Don't ask question when you see this combo coming soon, man. I mean, who wouldn't use this combo? This is 3/4 ounce, just like the jig, the spool lock. I really like that from 6 cents. You guys know how we do things. Next bait. Oh, okay, so if you guys saw from my tackle warehouse, also got a Cloud 9. Guess what they came in clutch with? Another Cloud 9. Now this Cloud 9 is a C10. I think the one I got was a C8 or C9, one of them. This one is 5/8 ounce. This is 8 to 12 feet. This is a blue chartreuse shad. Has a little hard knock to it. Not a bad bait. Haven't used the Cloud. Close up on that chartreuse. Not a bad bait. You guys know how we do things. Next bait. Matter of fact, make that last bait. We have a Crush 50X, 16 millimeters, 3/8, 2 to 5 feet, square bill crankbait. This is the OG color, if you know what I'm saying. Give you guys a close up on that. Not a bad bait at all. Like the color pattern on it. Silverback, red eyes. I'm liking it. No more baits. Alright guys, I just want to give you guys an insider of this bag. The inside of the bag is, it can hold water. Like I can literally put water in this thing and it won't soak into the bag, which I really like, because if water was to get in here, it wouldn't soak. You know, soak it, make this one soggy where it's dripping at the bottom. Give you guys an inside look on this. I don't know if it's waterproof yet, but it's looking water repellent so far. But they're gonna be using these for some soft plastic tournaments. You guys will be seeing that soon. But yeah, it's not a bad bag. Small. Carry it on your, I don't know, clip it on the end of your bag. A little pouch, I don't know, keep your hooks and your weights. I don't know, it's up to you guys. Nice bag, nice bag. If you guys a close up on the zippers, it's not looking too bad. Remember guys, I am not sponsored, so everything I do say is an honest peer review from a satisfied customer. Or if I'm not satisfied, I will guys let you know, but this is a satisfied box right here, monthly box. Can't go wrong with this. But guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys did like today's video, make sure you guys scroll down, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment what is your favorite bait. I'm gonna put all the baits on the screen right now. Alright, go ahead, comment your favorite bait. And other than that, we'll be out to the next video. Peace.